Setting up a bank account with Zelle is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can set up a bank account with Zelle. So for that, you have to be at your browser and you need to search for Zelle setup bank. What it will do is it will take you to this page. Now you just have to go to this first website, which is zellepay.com. I'm just going to close this and this. And now you will see this page. Now, the process is pretty simple. You just need to, check your mobile banking app and sign in with Zelle. Now, you just need to enroll your actual, banking account with Zelle. So, for that, you have to first identify if your bank supports Zelle or not. So, for that, you have to go to this website and you need to click on this link. It will take you to this page. Now, you just have to search for your bank. And you need to make sure if your bank actually accept Zelle or not. If it accepts, you just need to go to the Google and type in Zelle bank enrollment. So if I type in Zelle bank enrollment, and you just need to go to this website, which is Zelle enroll, and here you guys will be able to start enrolling. After finding your bank, you can start enrolling. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can set up your bank account with Zelle. So hope you guys find this video helpful.